Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can clear your Windows computers RAM cache. So it works for both Windows 11, Windows 10 and older version as well. So before starting the video I like to show my Windows cache. So for that, open your task manager and from here go to performance, and as you can see memories, it's 3.6 GB. So I would like to clear this. So for that we need a software, and for that also we need to go to Google, and from there you need to type RAMMAP. After typing this, go to this first website. It's from Microsoft, so don't worry about anything. So after that, click here, and from here you need to download the software. As you can see, this is the software. So now we need to extract this software. So let me extract it. As you can see, these are the files. So from here you don't need to mess with anything, just type this first application. After that you will see this and just tap yes, and these are the license agreement, so just agree. And as you can see, the software is running. It might take a couple of times. So as you can see, this is the software, and let me show you my RAM memory. So as you can see, it's still 3.9 GB. Now I'm going to clear this. From here you just need to type empty, and as you can see it says empty standby list. You need to tap here. As you can see, my RAM is now cleared. Now it was nearly 4 GB. Now as you can see, it's hardly 133 MB. So yeah, that's how you clear your Windows cache.